a culprit here. I've got the Lockwood ASSA ABLOY 334 Marine 45. That's it. Yes, so this came to me all the way from Australia, from a very nice locksporter. He's got a great channel, so check him out. I'll put his link, a link to his channel below. His name is Keyless Entry. Very nice guy. Today's my birthday too, so I showed up to my house and I found all these packages. They all just kind of arrived at once. I got some stuff from Sparrows too, but anyway, this is the first one I opened because I've been waiting on it for such a long time. I mean, it's halfway across the world, you know. So I did an opening video on that, out of his package. Let me see if it works here. And out of the lock package, of course. And I was picking the lock for about 30 minutes. I was getting pretty stubborn there. Here's the original packaging. Had it in, and I wasn't actually recording. I had taken a photo. I didn't hit the record button. So if I get this, maybe I'll put the photo in at the very end for giggles. But anyway, so yeah, I guess that video entailed me showing. I got some Sparrows picks, but I got this brass circular tensioner, which is right here, and I got this specifically to pick this, but this could probably come in handy for other locks as well. And you kind of just press it in there, and it fits perfect, and you get to see how much tension you're using and whatnot. So hopefully I'll get this Bergwachter Alpha 800 at some point and get some good use out of this. We'll see. What else did I get in this package? Oh yes, so we did get Charles Buildscrap third challenge lock, and it kicked my butt. And that's up there if you want to see it. But he did send me a bunch of goodies in there. You'll see my other video. So a couple 410s. They do have different keyways. He just told me. That was really cool of him. Sent me this master lock here, and this vest, which I opened right after I got done being defeated by his crazy hard challenge lock. So, but let's get back to this. That's what that 30-minute, 40-minute video actually had. And there was me showing you unboxing all that stuff, but whatever, it is what it is. And I didn't get anywhere with this thing anyway. So, but after I found out I wasn't recording, I was just, oh man, I just got so upset. So I just stopped for a bit and I went to do other stuff. So, so I'm coming back to this, and we are going to try being gentle. I kind of read into it a little bit more. Okay, 1 and 2, 3. As soon as you touched 4, it went to a faucet. I didn't even click it. And, oh, 4 is actually getting us out of the faucet. Nice. And on the faucet again. But there are spools in this. 5 is getting us out of that faucet again. Heard a double crunch. Not sure if that's, yeah, that's no good. Heard these things are prone to oversetting. They have my pick upside down too. That's funny. So I guess we start with 1. Oh, that's pretty easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, touched 4. Okay, we know this is going to get us out. 5 gets to a set. Let's be gentle. Out of it. There we go. Alright, so That was pretty cool. Actually, I think that whenever I was doing it, I was going straight to 2. So let's go back to 1. Oh, nice. Open. That's cool. Yes. That's awesome. So we got the Lockwood ASSA ABLOY 334 Marine 45. This is sent by Keyless Entries. Thank you so much. And actually, I gotta see if this is guttable. Oh my god. Yeah. So this is guttable. That sucks. Alright, so that's a Phillips head. I'm just gonna get all my stuff. Second here. I don't know what I need. Well, I guess we'll just take our time. Hopefully it's like an American on the inside. I don't know. That looks like a alien head. I did take apart this, yeah, this one. So maybe it's similar. I don't know. Let's get this done quick so we can maybe a short video. Oh, it's a smaller screw. Guess this comes out. Alright. Nothing in there. Oh. Should we remove this? Nothing's happening. That's not when these springs will pop out at me. Anything? No, that comes out. Huh, okay. Also, it must be some sort of shield so no one could, I guess, drill into the driver pins, I guess. Okay. Well, no, I can't close it. No, I can close it. Got the key. Okay, yeah. So maybe that's a better way to start working. There are some help. Okay, I'm glad I got my tools out. About one European lock, and it came with a 5-sided star screw, and it was torque as well. And I could not find those here in America. The guy at Lowe's, when I was asking for a tool that would fit that, he looked at me like I was crazy. So I'm just glad that this didn't have anything, or at least not so far, anything crazy. Yeah, just like that. Got a little back plate, that's nice. I guess we just do the same thing as we normally would. Hope I'm right on this. Nope, that's usually what we'd use for the American, I think. Is this perfect size? Okay. So yeah, we'll go through here. I don't want to spill anything. Okay, that turned out good. Okay. Oh, nice. So this is actually a 6-pin. I did read that. I read that they could be 5 to 6-pin, but so we could actually key it up for an extra pin. It's just like the American 1100. So that's cool. Now you have to remember which side goes where. So we'll keep everything like this, and that's how we will take out our key pins. So number 1, number 2, three, 4, and 5. I'll go over all of them in just a second, keeping everything straight here. For my sake, I need tweezers. Awesome birthday gifts. Got a bunch of stuff in, so let's do it. It's fine, I'm usually good. Oh, I was out of camera. I don't know why we got so zoomed in there. Oh, I think I zoomed in on something earlier. Sorry about that. Okay, so we're getting... Oh man. Look at that spool. Long spools too. This was a fun lock. I was about to bash my brains in with it earlier. I was getting frustrated with it in my first video. Or, I'm sorry, that wasn't a video, that was a picture. So, too bad you guys didn't get to see that. I kept oversetting constantly. And it's probably because I didn't figure out that first pin actually clicked. So it clicked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was pretty neat. All spools. Very cool lock, and one that I would cherish forever. This is gonna stick with me. I'm not gonna keep it that way. So there it is. It's all gutted. Spooky. Get it good. Zoom in on that. Sorry, I'm just looking through the camera. I'm not actually looking at them myself. Okay, so all the key pins, yes, they're all standard. And these spools, they're all very long. I don't know if I can. There we go. So that's what made it so, like, everything was just going into faucets like crazy. I wish you could have seen the first attempt, I guess. But this is my second attempt. I did read into it a little bit more. It said to be gentle, take your time, and sure enough, I think that's what it took. But I definitely didn't go this way at first. But thanks again, Keyless Entry, for this awesome lock. This is the Lockwood ASSA ABLOY 334 Marine 45, picked and gutted.